You are being played, not by a person necessarily, but by a chemistry, a biology, an ancient code written into your very nerves. Manipulation is not just a psychological game. It is a physiological one. It is a hack, a deliberate or instinctual exploitation of your body's own survival systems. Your fear, your urgency, your need to belong, these are not just feelings. They are chemical commands. And in the right hands, or the wrong ones, they become invisible strings. To see the strings is to be able to cut them. This is not about paranoia. It is about sovereignty. Section 1. The hijacked brain, fear and the amygdala. Deep within your brain lies an ancient sentinel. The amygdala, your alarm system. Its purpose is simple: survive now, think later. When triggered, it unleashes a chemical cocktail, cortisol, adrenaline, into your veins. This is the fight or flight response. It is powerful, it is life-saving, and it is easily stolen. A manipulator, whether a high-pressure salesman, a toxic partner, or a sensationalist media outlet, doesn't need a saber tooth. They use artificial tigers. This offer expires in 10 minutes. If you really loved me, you would. A new crisis threatens us all. The trigger is pulled. Your amygdala fires. Your prefrontal cortex, the seat of your logic, reason, and critical thinking, is shut down. You are no longer deciding. You are reacting. You are complying. Practical defense, the physiological sigh. When you feel that rush of urgency, that pang of anxiety, your first defense is not in your mind, but in your body. Stop. Breathe. But not just any breath. Take a physiological sigh. A double inhale through the nose, hold, and a long, slow exhale through the mouth. Do this 2 or 3 times. This is not just calming down. This is a biological override. This specific breathing pattern signals the brainstem to slow the heart rate. It tells the amygdala, stand down. The captain has the bridge. You are manually resetting your own nervous system to reclaim your logic. But some strings are not pulled with fear. They are pulled with a far more subtle chemical, the promise of reward. Section 2. The dopamine trap, uncertainty and addiction. Meet dopamine, the molecule of desire, the chemical of more. Its primary role is not pleasure, but anticipation. It fuels the search for reward, and its most powerful trigger? Uncertainty. A predictable reward produces a little dopamine. An unpredictable, variable reward, maybe this time, produces a flood. Every social media platform, every clickbait headline, every manipulative relationship uses this same blueprint. It's a psychological slot machine. You scroll wondering, will the next post be funny? Will I get a like? Will they text back? Maybe this time. The ding of a notification, the ping of a message. These are the modern equivalent of the casino's bells and whistles. They keep you in a state of seeking, a state of craving. And in that vulnerable dopamine-charged state, you are far more susceptible to suggestion. Practical defense. Create your own certainty. Break the cycle by introducing deliberate, predictable rewards. Set strict boundaries. I will check my emails only at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. I will keep my phone in another room after 8 p.m. Replace the variable reward with a certain one. After you complete a deep work session, reward yourself with a definite, tangible pleasure. A walk outside, a cup of your favorite tea, 5 minutes of stretching. You are not being disciplined. You are being a responsible chemist for your own brain. You are taking control of the dopamine lever so no one else can pull it for you. Yet there is a string more powerful than fear or desire. It is the string of connection, of belonging. Section 3. The herd imperative, social pain and oxytocin. For our ancestors, exile was a death sentence. To be cast out from the tribe was to be exposed, vulnerable, and alone. Our brains evolved a powerful mechanism to enforce this bond: social pain. The feeling of rejection, shame, or ostracism is processed in the same neural pathways as physical pain. And the chemical of bonding, oxytocin, is the reward for conformity. A manipulator wields this like a cudgel. They create in-groups and out-groups. All of us here agree. You're not one of them, are you? A real friend would. The threat is unspoken but physiologically felt. Conform or face the pain of exclusion. Your own brain, wired for survival, will scream at you to comply, to fit in, to avoid the neural fire alarm of social rejection. Practical defense. Fortify your inner citadel. This is the ultimate Stoic practice applied to biology. You must predecide your values. Who are you when no one is watching? What do you stand for even if you stand alone? Write down your core principles, your non-negotiable values. When you feel the pressure to conform, to betray yourself for acceptance, you must feel the social pain and act according to your values anyway. You are teaching your nervous system a new truth, that the integrity of your inner citadel is more valuable than the fleeting comfort of the tribe. The pain of self-betrayal is far greater than the pain of exclusion. Manipulation is a ghost in the machine. But now you have seen the machine. You have seen the fear hijack, the dopamine trap, the herd imperative. You have seen the levers that others pull. And with that knowledge, you have taken the first, most crucial step. You have broken the spell. You are no longer a puppet reacting to chemistry. You are the scientist who understands it, the master who can regulate it. You have the breath to calm the storm, the routine to master desire, the values to withstand the crowd. The invisible strings are only invisible until you know where to look. So now the question is not how you are being manipulated. The question is, what will you build with your newfound sovereignty? What actions will you take when you are truly physiologically free? The strings are cut. The choice is yours.